Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Transit. It's the sync system. First of all, what we need to do is make sure Bluetooth is on. Then there's two ways of getting to this. The hard way, I suppose, click menu, then onto sync settings, and then BT devices, click OK, and you see there no phones paired, please add a phone. The other way, the easier way, is you just click phone and same screen comes up. If nothing's connected already, if your passenger hadn't got a phone connected, that screen will come up, and you've got there again, you've got add at the bottom and cancel. Add and cancel at the bottom. They correspond to these buttons here, so we want to add a phone.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
Sync's already shown up here. That's one of my GoPro, well, it's not GoPro, it's a DJI Osmo, but so we click sync. Please begin Barry's iPhone 10 is trying to pair with sync. Does 3.5. Thank you, Mr. Harrison, for just leaving a review just as I'm doing this video. Okay, 354,931. Does it match? Yes. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Gordon Bennett. So I'm 6 minutes to Walnut.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Thank you. So, do you want contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, because I won't be using this again. So don't allow. Download phone book. I don't want to do it, but you would. So that's it. Sync connected.